रे मा पनि प मा पनि सा रे सा सा नि प म रे म प म रे म रे स रे म रे स नि प नि स रे 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 म प नि सा नि स रे 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 प नि स रे रे म रे 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 स स सा नि नि प व म म रे स रे म रे स हरिवरासनं विश्वमोहनं हरिदधीश्वरम् आराध्यपादुकं हरिविमर्दनं नित्यनर्तनं हरिहरात्मजं देवमाश्रये ಭಾಗ್ಯದಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೀ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನೀ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्ति मन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीन मन्तराय कृन्तनं हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकदं तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् शङ्करा नादशरीरा परा वेदविहारा हरा जीवेश्वरा शङ्करा నగుమోము గలవాణి నామనోహరుణి జగమేలు శూరుని జానకి వరుణి నగుమోము గలవాణి. Hello everyone, this is Music Mitra and Bindu Nair here. Now you must be wondering, why did I sing some tunes from famous devotional songs? There is something common among all these tunes that I just sang. Can you guess it? Yes, it is the same ragam. Now which is that ragam? So today the topic is an introduction to another beautiful ragam in Carnatic music. The ragam's name is Madhyamavati. Madhyamavati is a Janya ragam. As we know, there are two major classifications of ragas in Carnatic music: the Janaka ragas or the parent ragas, and the Janya ragas or the ragas that are derived, or the kid ragas. So Madhyamavati comes under the classification of a Janya raga, and the parent for this raga is the 22nd Melakarta Karahara Priya. So this is a Audhava raga, meaning it has only 5 swaras. And what are the 5 swaras? Ga and Ni are absent. So we have Shadjam, Chatushruti Rishabham, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam and Kaishiki Nishadam. The scale, if you see, of Madhyamavati is very close to Sri Ragam. Sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma re sa. This is Madhyamavati. If Ga comes in the Avarohanam, it becomes Sri Ragam. So without Ga, just same swaras going up and coming down, we get this beautiful ragam Madhyamavati. It's a Mangalakara raga, and it is also used as a major raga for compositions in a concert, and also it is used at the end to end a concert because of its Mangalakara character. So it is believed that whatever mistakes we make while rendering other ragas get pardoned when we sing Madhyamavati at the end. So let us get to know what are the swaras, as we mentioned, Shadjam, Chatushruti Rishabham, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Kaishiki Nishadam. So how will we sing? Sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma re sa re. The re is ma re sa re ma re re. There are a lot of beautiful compositions in this ragam. Some of them I just sang, if you remember, Harivarasanam Vishwamohanam. That tune is in Madhyamavati. Also, Bhagyadalakshmi Varamma Nagumo Galavani Namano Haruni. Then the Ganesha Pancharatnam ends with Madhyamavati. Nitanta Kanta Danta Kanti Manta Kanta Katmajam. That part. So, and of course the famous song in the movie Shankarabharanam, Shankara Nada Sharira Para. So these are all Madhyamavati based tunes that I just sang. Now let us try to sing the Arohanam Avarohanam once more so that you understand this raga. Sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma re sa re. The compositions Palinsu Kamakshi Pavani Pavashamani Amba Palinsu. This is by Shyama Shastri. Another song by Saint Tyagaraja is Nadupai Balikeru Narulu Shri Rama Nadupai Balikeru. So there are so many beautiful compositions. I would like you to go and listen to the compositions. Let me know in the comments below which are the other songs that you have heard in this ragam Madhyamavati. So to end it, let us get a little more familiar by doing some simple exercises in this ragam. So as I told you, the videos out here are for beginners of Carnatic music who are just getting to understand ragas, trying to learn what each raga is all about, trying to understand the kritis, compositions in that raga. So this is just a guide for beginners to understand the ragas in Carnatic music. So let us try doing some simple exercises. I will give a space after my singing so you can try to repeat after me. Let's try that way today, okay? Because many of you have written into me saying that if you could make it like a repeat and sing format, it will be easy for you to learn things. So let us keep it that way today. So we will start with simple stepping exercises. Sa re sa sa re ma re sa re ma pa re ma pa re ma pa ni pa re ma pa ni pa pa ma re sa pa ma re sa ni sa re re ni sa re re ni sa re ma re sa ni sa re ma re sa. Re ma pa ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ma re. Re ma pa ma re. Re ma pa ni. Re ma pa ni. Pa ni sa. Pa ni sa. Ni sa re. Ni sa re. Ma re sa. Ma re sa. Sa ni pa ma re. Sa ni pa ma re. Re pa ma re. Re pa ma re. Ma re sa re. Ma re sa re. Re ma pa ma ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ni sa ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ni sa ni pa ma re. Ma pa ni. Ma pa ni. Pa ni sa. Pa ni sa. Ni sa re. Ni sa re. Re ma re sa. Re ma re sa. Re sa ni pa ma re. Re sa ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ni pa ma re. Re ma pa ni pa ma re. Re sa re. Ni pa ni sa re. Re ma re pa ma re. All these are ending in re. Ni sa re. Sa re ma re. Ni pa ni sa. Ni pa ni sa. Ni pa ni sa re. Ni pa ni sa re. Ni re. Ni re. Ma re sa. Ma re sa. So this was just a simple swara exercise to just understand this Ragam Madhyamavati. So I hope this video was of some use to you for those who are learning about this. For those of you who are learning Madhyamavati for the first time, I hope this introduction to this beautiful raga was of help to you. Do check out more songs in this beautiful Ragam Madhyamavati, and I will see you soon with another video. In the meantime, if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe, share, and do give me your feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you, and see you soon with another video. Bye for now.